Hello, my friend. Welcome. Before we start, take a slow breath with me. In and out. You are safe here.
Yes, this is your calm place. No tests, no pressure, no judging. My name is Liam.
And I'm Sophia. We are so happy you are here with us today.
This podcast is called Easy English for Office and Work. We will talk slowly, we will use simple English, and we will talk like real people.
Today's topic is very close to real life. English at work. Meetings, emails, small talk, feeling shy in the office.
And listen carefully. It is okay if you don't understand everything.
Yes, really. You don't need to catch every word. Just relax. Let English come to you like a warm cup of tea.
Feeling tired and shy at work.
Liam, can I ask you something personal?
Of course, Sophia.
Do you remember a time when you felt shy at work because of English?
Oh yes, many times. I remember my first office job. Everyone spoke fast English. I felt like my brain battery was always low.
Like your battery was red, almost empty?
Exactly. I wanted to speak, but my words were hiding. My mouth felt dry. My heart beat fast.
I know that feeling. For me, English was like a mirror. When I made mistakes, I felt small. I thought people could see my fear.
Yes, English can feel like a mirror. We don't just hear words, we see ourselves.
Office moments. Do you remember your first meeting?
Oh, very clearly. My boss said, "Liam, what do you think?" My mind went blank. Total silence inside.
That silence is very loud, right?
Yes. I only said, "I agree," even when I had ideas.
I did the same thing. I smiled, I nodded, I agreed with everyone.
And later at home, I thought, why didn't I say that? Why didn't I speak?
That feeling can be heavy, like carrying a bag full of stones.
Fear of mistakes. Many learners think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh.
But most people are busy with their own work. They are not counting your mistakes.
True. At work, everyone is tired. Everyone is human.
English is not about being perfect. It's about being clear and kind to yourself.
English as a journey. I like to think of English as a journey. Some days you walk fast, some days you walk slow.
And some days you just sit and rest. That is also part of the journey.
You don't stop learning because you are slow. You stop only if you quit.
Practical life English. 1 sentence a day. Let's share some small habits. Very small, very easy.
Tip number 1. 1 sentence a day.
At work, choose one simple sentence. For example, I will send the email today. Or, let me check and get back to you.
Use it many times. Feel comfortable with it. This builds confidence.
English in daily life. Tip number 2, connect English to your life.
When you make tea, say, I am making tea. When you open your laptop, say, I am starting work.
English is not only for books, it is for life.
Be a friend to yourself. Tip number 3, talk to yourself like a friend.
If you make a mistake, don't say, I am bad at English.
Say, I am learning. I am trying. I am getting better.
Soft motivation. Dear listener, you don't need to speak perfect English.
You don't need a big vocabulary.
You only need one thing, consistency.
Small steps. Every day. Like brushing your teeth.
Some days you feel strong, some days you feel tired.
Both days are okay.
Please remember, you are not late. You are not stupid. You are learning.
Now let's slowly explain some words from today's episode.
Shy, meaning feeling nervous or quiet with people. Examples, I feel shy in meetings. She is shy when she speaks English.
Meeting, meaning a time when people talk about work together. Examples, we have a meeting at 10 a.m. The meeting was short and simple.
Confidence, meaning feeling good and sure about yourself. Examples: English gives me confidence. She speaks with confidence.
Mistake, meaning something not correct. Examples: It's okay to make a mistake. I made a small mistake in the email.
Battery, meaning power or energy, also used for feelings. Examples: My phone battery is low. My energy battery is empty today.
Journey, meaning a long process or trip. Examples: Learning English is a journey. Life is a long journey.
Relax, meaning to feel calm and not stressed. Examples: Please relax. I relax after work.
Daily, meaning something you do every day. Examples: I practice English daily. This is part of my daily routine.
Habit, meaning something you do often. Examples: Reading is a good habit. English practice is my habit.
Encourage, meaning to help someone feel strong and positive. Examples: My friend encourages me. Teachers encourage students.
Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for listening. Thank you for trying.
Before we say goodbye, think about this one question. What is one small English sentence you can use at work tomorrow?
You don't need to answer now. Just think.
If this episode made you feel calm, please like it.
Subscribe for more slow, cozy English.
And comment below. Tell us where you listen from.
We are proud of you. Really.
See you in the next episode.
Take care. Speak gently to yourself. Goodbye, my friend.